Welcome sa aking kusina. Kung bago pa lang kayo dito, huwag kaligtaang mag-subscribe, like, comments, and share. Salamat! Our recipe for today is adobong labong or rabong. This is sauteed bamboo shoots with pork. Let's start with pouring in 1.5 liter of water and bring this to boil. Once the water is already boiled, let's drop in 1 kilogram of bamboo shoot and parboil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now let's add 1/2 tablespoon of salt and stir it until well combined. Atin pong pakukuluan ito upang matanggal ang kanyang mapait na lasa, and at the same time, nagpo-promote po ito ng quick cooking ng ating dish later on. And now, hahanguin na po natin ito and i-drain natin and discard ang water. And huhugasan natin ito over running water. On a preheated pan, let's pour in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and then let's saute 1 thumb-sized ginger. Kapag mabango ng ating ginger, dito, maglalagay na tayo ng 2 pirasong sibuyas. Atin itong isusati until becomes translucent. For an extra hot kick, magdadagdag din tayo ng 4 na pirasong chili, or depende sa inyo, you may adjust it according to your preferences. Magdagdag tayo dito ng bawang and let's saute it until becomes more aromatic. So now, magdagdag din tayo ng 4 na piraso na bay left and atin itong iti-tear up to release its aroma. And now, let's drop in 1/4 kilograms pork. Pwede rin kayong gagamit dito ng chicken. So, depende yan sa inyong preferences, mga friends. Takpan, inisimmer natin ito for a few minutes. So, let's check. And dito, magdagdag tayo ng 1/2 tablespoon cracked black pepper. And now, let's pour in 3 tablespoon soy sauce. And atin lang po itong paghalo-haloin. And magdadagdag din tayo dito ng 1 piece pork cube. And now, takpan po natin ito and pakukuluan natin sa loob ng ilang minuto. After few minutes, let's add in 1.5 cups of water. Atin po itong paghalo-haloing mabuti, and then pagkatapos nating maihalong mabuti, takpan na po natin ito. And bring this to simmer until the meat becomes tender. By this time, let's pour in 3 tablespoons vinegar. Atin lamang itong hahaluin ng bahagya, mga friends. Huwag mo na itong takpan hanggat sa hindi pa maalis ang amoy ng pagkahilaw na suka. Put the lid on and atin po itong isi-simmer hanggang sa lumambot ng ating karne. Tikman na po natin ito gamit ang isang malinis na kutsara. Dahil sa malambot ng ating karne, maglalagay ng tayo ng parboiled na bamboo shoot. Atin itong paghalo-haloin ng mabuti nang sa ganon ay well distributed po ang ating mga ingredients. Pagkatapos nating maihalo ng mabuti, atin na po itong takpang muli hanggang sa mababawasan na yung sauce nito. Atin po itong paghalo-haloing muli upang ma-distribute po evenly ang kanyang ingredients. And dito, magdadagdag po ako ng 2 tablespoon na oyster sauce. Ang oyster sauce, mga meg, nagdagdag po ito ng lasa and linamnam ng ating lutong bamboo shoots. Aside from adding flavor, it also add up the color of our dish. Always remember that in cooking, you should have to taste your dish from time to time to ensure the quality of your dish. Para maisigurado natin na tama ang lasa nito, masarap at swak na swak para sa lahat. Since kulang pa ang lasa, magdadagdag tayo nito ng 1/2 teaspoon ng salt. Paghalo-haloin natin itong mabuting mga megs. Takpan natin itong muli hanggat sa konti na lang yung sauce na matira nito. And now, atin po itong i-check. So, okay na po itong mga mix. Atin na po itong hahanguin. Now, let's do serving. Make sure to remove the bay leaf before serving it to the guest. And now, presenting to you our finished product. This is sauteed bamboo shoot with pork or adobong rabong. And hope you enjoy cooking with me, mga friends. Until next time, have a great day.